Hi, my name is Sophie Summers, and as always, a very warm welcome to the Crossdressing Lifestyle channel. Now, I say a very warm, it's around about 10:15 in the evening here in the UK, and it's still extremely warm. I've just returned for a little walk around the town because, to be honest, it is way too hot during the day to put a face on and go out and do any sort of shopping or anything else. So I thought I needed a bit of a break, so I thought I'd put on something I thought was rather appropriate for the evening and have a little walk around town. So I hope you enjoy my little video here. Earlier in the year I did manage to film here in the Rose Garden in Hotham Park. It was a cold, icy morning then and not much bloom out, but now with all this warm breeze we're getting, look at that there, all those beautiful roses are out and there's such a wonderful smell even this late in the evening. So it's nearly, that's 9:20 in the evening here and the light's not too bad, but it's a very peaceful spot as always, and I'm going to have another look around. So thank you for staying to the end. If you're new to the channel, please do consider subscribing. I'd really appreciate that. Sharing and liking this particular video. It's been, as I say, quite a warm period here in the UK, and getting out and about is a little bit more difficult. But hopefully as the weather cools down, I can make a few more videos. So as always, I like to end up by saying, please stay gorgeous, stay safe, and until the next time, bye-bye.